Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today, we've got a very cool unboxing from a lottery I entered for my good buddy here in Huntsville, A to Z EDC. Y'all go give him a follow on IG. He is definitely worth following, and I procured this for him. So, first thing I want to do is do a quick shout out to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate all you guys. And I want to just thank and welcome anyone who's coming through to check out the knife and EDC content. I really appreciate you. And if you're so inclined and you like the EDC content, if you hit that subscribe button down there and that bell notification icon, it will really help me out. So as I was saying, this is kind of an interesting story. And I've got it upside down. Let me just grab my Evo. Open that. So, the story. So this is a package that has a knife that was offered on a lottery that my buddy A to Z EDC really wanted. So like we do sometimes, and you know, I entered the lottery for him, he entered the lottery, and I came up, so I was able to get the knife. So yeah, let's take a look at brother A to Z EDC's knife. It is an absolute banger, guys. It's not my normal jam. And Recon 1 is where it came from. And they do a great job packaging stuff. And there we have now a knife somewhere in this package. Guys, this is a limited release or a limited edition knife. And I will be forthcoming and saying it is the nicest unboxing that I've been part of, thanks to brother A to Z. So guys, I should really know a lot more about what we're getting into here, but this is just kind of an unboxing that I'm sharing with you guys. Know that I'm not a Shiro guy. I don't know all the ins and outs, but we'll try to learn together. So this is a Shirogorov RJM, which I forget who that is, but this is an S90V ROK DO Jeans Micarta SRRBS. So, since this is brother A to Z's knife, let me see the best way to open this thing. So I don't mess up his box. That's not the right way. We'll go that way. All right, guys. I have never unboxed one of these, but this is a certificate of authenticity. Denim Overkill, blade steel S90V, handle titanium, Jeans Micarta, single row roll bearing systems, 106 of 200, Shirogorov and RJ Martin. Little Shiro sticker. I'm going to keep all this over here. And guys, that is a Shirogorov, RJ Martin, blue jean micarta. Amazingly thin. Just let y'all soak that in before I open it up. Try to give you all views, because again, this isn't my normal jam. I wish I had a better camera where you could see the texture of that micarta. Look at that blasted and satin S90V blade. You've got the Shiro logo, RJM logo. Look at that edge. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm sorry guys, I've never really spent much time with such a precise knife. Look at how that backspacer literally forms to the blade. I don't know if y'all can see that, if I'm giving you a good enough view of that. Simply stunning. You've got micro milling on the titanium on both sides. Got a really nice clip. Unique hardware. I wonder if A to Z would mind if we cut with it. Let's cut with it. We got to cut some paper. I won't go hard on it. Guys, that is impressive. So again, guys, I just wanted to share that unboxing with you. Go follow, if you will, at A to Z EDC. He's my buddy here in Huntsville. I got all the blade shows with him. We fuel each other's bad decisions. But I am glad I was able to get in on this lottery for him and help him acquire this bad boy. It is a big knife. I'm guessing this is the same size as my Spartan Harsey SHR, full size. I'm guessing, let's see how big this knife is. Since this is kind of a unique overview, we'll be going to A to Z. 9 inches overall, 4-inch blade, 4 3/4 inch handle. Right about 4 1/4 inch inside here. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, I've never been a Shiro guy, but that doesn't mean I can't appreciate a beautiful knife. 4.40 ounces. I love the denim micarta. I wish you guys could feel it. It is very soft. And that blade, just an absolute stunner, guys. Anyways, I wanted to do the unboxing. I told them that was a condition. I got to unbox it. Go check them out, A to Z EDC. I appreciate each and every one of you. As always, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.